Joytastic sisters here. Today's video we're gonna show you how to make a vase using a plastic bottle and aluminum foil. So what you'll be needing is a plastic bottle, of course. I've taken a Pepsi bottle here, aluminum foil, black paint, sellotape, and scissors. First you have to cut the plastic bottle somewhere along this line. So now I've cut the bottle. As you can see, this aluminum foil is spoiled, but still it's okay for this craft. The sheet is approximately 56 to 65 centimeters. And now I'm gonna crush the sheet. Now we have to slowly flatten it again. Be careful, don't tear anything. So now I have flattened this aluminum foil, and now I'm gonna use this piece to cover up this plastic bottle. So I've kept the bottle inverted. I'm gonna place the plastic aluminum foil. Now sometimes you will have this extra patch. You can just cut it off using scissors. Sometimes you'll have patches like these coming out. You can just stick them together using sellotape. Now I have wrapped it up completely. Now I've taken black paint and a brush, and I'm gonna paint lightly like this. As you can see, only some ends which are standing out have the black paint in them. So you have to paint throughout this whole vase like this. So this is our vase, and now I'm going to make flowers to put in here. So first I'm going to take an A4 paper. When I put this flower in this vase, we can see that the flower is a little bit low and the inside of the vase does not look so good. One solution I found out for this problem is that we fill it up with crushed rock-like thingies made of aluminum foil like these. So this is our vase. I filled it up with 3 more flowers of red, orange, and yellow. And this is how it looks. I've also made another vase using the same method but a different container. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. And yes, if you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments below. See you next Saturday. Till then,